Welcome back to Remove Before Race. We are here at Mercedes Benz World in Weybridge for a very special delivery of a car that is not only the first of its kind in the UK, but also RBR's own first ever long-term supercar. And to awaken the beast, what better car than the beast of the Green Hell? And what better driver than RBR's own Elliott Cole? So sit back, relax, and watch the Drift God do his thing.
It's a bit of health and safety stuff. Cool. I'm a big fan, by the way.
Let me get the back there.
Upset a superhero or drive the GT C Edition 50. I think I made the right choice. Darn it! He'll go over it.
Right guys, so here we are, finally in our first ever long-term test car for Remove Before Race, which is the incredible GTC Edition 50 Coupe. Now the Coupes, a lot of you are going to be confused thinking that GTCs are just meant to be roadsters, but that's not the case. The GTC sits above the GTS and below the GTR. So the GT family now consists of the standard AMG GT, followed by the GTS, followed by the GTC, and then the GTR, and hopefully a GT Black series soon. So the family is growing, and we've also got a GT 4-door on the way as well, which might have a hybrid EQ Power Plus version with over 800 brake horsepower, but I'm getting carried away now. So this new GTC, well, at the moment the Coupe is exclusive to this Edition 50, and by Edition 50 AMG are celebrating the 50 years of AMG with this car and with the Project One AMG hypercar, which you'll also see on our channel covered in the Frankfurt Motor Show. So what is this? This is the AMG GT C Edition 50 Coupe. And by Edition 50, AMG means that this is the car that's celebrating 50 years of AMG. There's a coupe version and there's a roadster, but at the moment you can only buy a GTC Coupe in the Edition 50, and there are only 500 of the Edition 50s, as noted on the steering wheel here, worldwide. So it's a pretty rare car at the moment, and we're absolutely honoured at Remove Before Race to have one of these on the fleet. I'll be getting my Roadster soon in December time, so keep an eye out for that. But what is this car like? So this, out of the normal GT family, is the car that is the closest to the AMG GT R. It comes with 557 brake horsepower, way up from the AMG GT S, and also has a plethora of technology brought in from the GT R, including rear wheel steer, which you really feel on a track like this. Obviously we can't do anything too exciting, the baby is still running in at the moment, but this is really similar to when I was driving the GT R on track with Elliott not long ago. You'll see that on our channel as well. Because of the rear wheel steer, because of the massive bump in horsepower from the GTS, this is really close to the GT R, and the sound is pretty darn close as well. So for your money, you're getting a really fantastic car. Now yes, the GT R is that much sharper, it's that much quicker, but to be honest, on normal roads and even on this small handling track at MB World, you're not going to tell. So the design of the GT C Edition 50 is unique to this edition. You get the most striking paint colour of Magno Graphite Grey on the outside, which is unique to this car. You cannot get it on normal GTC. You've also got the black chrome wheels, and all the trim pieces on the car are in a black chrome. And finishing off that, on the inside, you've got interior night package just like the GTR, and a monochromatic gorgeous style Designo silver pearl with black Napa leather. The overall effect of the Magno Graphite Grey and the monochrome interior and the striking red calipers just make this look absolutely unbelievable. Now the other thing about this GTC, as with the Roadster, it shares the wide body from the GTR, so you also get the benefit of having a wider track and all that gorgeous stance of a proper supercar. Now our full road test of this car will be in a very special episode that we're doing at the start of October, where we'll be taking this and an identical one of these, which has just arrived on the island of Jersey with D Turnbull from Instagram, another member of Remove Before Race, and we'll be taking both of these cars along with an E63S wagon given to us by MB UK all the way to a Falterbach, and we're going to go to the home of driving performance, and we're going to celebrate 50 years of AMG at the home with 2 of the Edition 50s out of 500. It's going to be incredible. So guys, I hope you enjoyed that little sneak preview of the AMG GTC with our collection. We had loads of fun doing this today. Honestly, it was absolutely brilliant. So if you enjoyed it as well, please do like and share it and subscribe. And there's going to be lots more of this car coming soon. As I said, it's a long-term test car. But yeah, thank you so much, and we'll see you again soon. Who the hell is on our frequency? Hey Geronimo, what are you saying?
You want what else?
Where's the other? I don't know the other. Hello.
Take a picture.
You sound like him, you talk like him.
Like Bruce Wayne. You should turn your phone. Hey, I'm not bad, lad. I'm ready, let's go. Okay. Go.
Sorry. Not normally like this, you know.
Bloody diva. It's back again.
Batman.
Next time on Remove Before Race, we continue our coverage of the Frankfurt Motor Show with a walk around of the new AMG hypercar, as well as some other goodies from the AMG stand. We then venture into BMW and Audi's latest creations.